On number 7, we have Love is Phantom Drama. The love story begins with the Hirasawa Momoko, the cafe clerk at a hotel, meets a stranger on the hotel terrace. Even though they have just met, they repeatedly kiss. The next day, the Momoko is unable to forget about it and learns the man was Hasaki, senior. He is her senior, the elite hotelier who works at the same hotel, and he is too perfect for her. But for him, she is really innocent and a honest girl to whom he never met. And then begin the love story of passion, the love story of a secret relationship, and the love story of a senior and a junior. The next drama is homeroom drama. The Rintaro Aida is a handsome teacher. One of his students, Sachiko Sakurai, endured the unpleasant situation every day. The identity of the person who causes this situation is not known. The Rintaro Aida always saves her from those situations. Because of this, the Sachiko begins to have the feeling for him. What Sachiko Sakura does not know that the Rintaro is really the man who is behind every situation. What happened? Go and watch this beautiful and one of the most watched Japanese drama of 2020. The next drama is I Am Taking a Day Off Today drama. The Hane Aoshi is set to turn 30. She works for the general trading company and has zero dating experience. She attends the company party and drinks with the part-time employee Yuto Tanukura. He is a handsome university student. Though the evening, the Hane becomes drunk and passes out. When she wakes up, she finds herself Yuto Tanukura sleeping next to her and he is naked. She becomes confused about what happened and takes the day off from the work for the first time. To come out her shell, Hana decides to date the Yuto Tanukura, who is 9 years old younger than her. At this time, the Yu Asao, the CEO of a food company located in the same building as her company, begins to have the feeling for Hane, and the love triangle develops between the woman and her colleague and her boss. The next drama is the drama Hanasaki Mai Speaks Out. The Hanasaki Mai is an ordinary employee of a bank with zero diplomacy. She doesn't think twice about pointing out her boss' mistake. Her job is to investigate any wrongdoings in the bank branches. She is the voice of the suppressed staff who are unable to go against their bosses. Her partner is the veteran staff Soma Ken, whose career with the bank had reached a dead end. No promotion in sight was seen with the Soma Ken. Together, this resolved all the non-compliance issues at the bank, and in this process, the boss of the Hanasaki also have the feeling for the Hanasaki, and the partner of him also has the feeling for the Hanasaki. So she gets into the love triangle with her senior and with her junior. The next drama on the list is the Tokyo Tarareba Girls. The 30-year-old Rinto Kamata works as an unpopular screenwriter. She doesn't have the boyfriend, but she has two female friends, Kaori and Koyuku. They meet regularly at a bar. There, they complain about their situation, and just when the ladies were absorbed in their lively Tarareba conversation, a young blonde and a handsome man suddenly shows up and scolds them. You Tarareba woman. Just like that, the ladies are given a harsh reality check on that day. And then after spending time with each other, the Rinku starts to feel something for the first time in her life about the boy, the young blonde hair handsome guy. And he's also started to fall in love with the honest, innocent but childish Rinku, and slowly the life of these three women begins to change with the new people in their life. The next drama is Love Will Last Forever. The Nanase Sakura met the Dr. Kairi Tendo several years ago and fell in love with him. To meet him again, she studied hard and became nurse. After 5 years, she finally met the Kairi Tendo again, but he has totally different personality than what she imagined. The Kairi Tendo, who is the 31-year-old, is commonly referred to as Devil at the work. The Nanase Sakura works hard to receive the recognition from him, and she also expresses her feelings honestly to him. Due to her persistence, the Nanase Sakura becomes well known at the hospital, and meanwhile the Kairi Tendo become attracted to the innocent Nanase Sakura. The next drama is the Senpai to Kanojo. The Rika Suzuki is a first-year high school student. She is in love with the third-year high school student Kigo Minuhara. Meanwhile, the Kigo Minuhara is secretly in love with Oi Okita. She attends the same university and high school and is now a first-year university student with the Kigo Minuhara. And then here start the friendship, the headship, and also the really relationship of the senior and junior. Go and watch this beautiful one of the must-watch drama Senpai to Kanojo.